If I had to start with AI from zero today, I would do it differently than most people I see starting out. Not because the common advice is bad, but because I have been using AI every day for over 3 years now, and I can see clearly what actually moves the needle and what just feels like progress without producing any. Today, I'm going to give you the exact plan I would follow if I woke up tomorrow and had never used Claude or ChatGPT in my life. Week by week, tool by tool, what to do first, what to do next, and the 5 mistakes I wish I had avoided. I'm Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Learning about AI is not the same as learning AI. You learn AI by using it every day on real problems. The people who get good fast one real problem from their actual life every day. The people who stay stuck learning about AI without ever having a real use for it. Everything in this roadmap is built around that principle. Real tasks, real tools, real problems. From day one. Week one. Two decisions. That is all you have to do. Decision one, the tool. Claude, free to start at Claude AI. No credit card required. It writes clearly, explains things simply, honest when it does not know something. For a beginner, those three things matter more than benchmark scores. Decision number two, the use case. Pick one task you do every single day and cannot avoid. Emails, use Cloud for every reply this week. Reading documents, paste them in and ask for a summary. Meeting prep, ask Claude to brief you before every call. Research, ask Claude to explain every topic you are reading about. One tool, one use case. Every single day of week one. Do not add a second tool. Do not try a second use case. By the end of week one, you will have used AI more productively than most people who have been using it casually for months. Week two, one skill, the one that multiplies everything else. Prompting, not a course, just understanding why some prompts work and others do not. 5 elements of a strong prompt. Role, tell Cloud who it is. You are an expert email copywriter. Context, tell it what it needs to know. I'm writing to a client who. Task, be specific. Write a 3 sentence reply that. Format, tell it how you want the output. Bullet points under 100 words. Constraint, tell it what to avoid. No jargon, no filler phrases. Take the prompt you used last week and rewrite it with all 5 elements. Notice the difference? It will be significant. By end of week 2, you are already in the top 20% of Claude users. Most people never learn to prompt properly, ever. Week 3, 2 things. First, add one more use case. Pick the next most common thing you do manually: writing, summarizing, planning, research, drafting messages. Second, explore 2 Claude features. Projects. Create a project for your main work context. Add instructions, your role, your audience, your preferences. Upload documents Claude should always know about. Every conversation in that project starts with full context, no rebriefing. Document upload, drag a PDF into Claude and ask questions about it. A report you need to read, a contract, a book chapter. What are the 3 most important points? What should I be concerned about? That one capability alone saves hours. Week 4, the most important week. Stop using AI reactively. Start using it proactively. Build one recurring workflow, something you run every single day. 3 options. The morning briefing. Ask Claude to search for the top 5 news stories in your industry from the last 24 hours. 2 minutes replaces 45 minutes of tab switching every morning. The end of day review. Paste your notes from the day into Claude. Ask, what are my top 3 priorities for tomorrow? Start every morning already knowing where to focus. The weekly content system. If you create content, build a project with your tone, audience, and examples. Produce first drafts of everything. Edit instead of writing from scratch. By end of week 4, AI is a habit, not a novelty. After 30 days, you have a real habit. Now you can go deeper. Want to save more time? Learn MCP connectors. Connect Cloud to Gmail, Google Drive, Notion, and Slack. Want to make money? Pick one of the 5 AI income paths: freelancing, automation, vibe coding, content, and agents. I made a video about it a couple days ago. Want to go deeper? Perplexity for research, Notebook LM for documents, Cloud Code or Cursor if you want to build things. OpenClaw for autonomous agents, but none of that matters before the 30 days. The 30 days are the foundation. Build them first. Now, 5 mistakes to avoid. 1. Trying 5 tools in week 1. Pick one and stick with it. 2. Treating AI like a search engine. One-line questions and close the tab. AI is a thinking partner. Have a conversation with it. 3. Accepting the first answer without refining. Say, make it shorter, more direct. Give me 3 alternatives. 4. Trusting facts without checking. Brilliant at thinking, unreliable at remembering. Verify every specific fact. 5. Waiting until you feel ready. There is no ready. You get ready by using it. The people who started last year feel ready now because they started last year. Start today. If I were starting from zero today, this is the plan. Week 1, Claude, one use case every day. Week 2, learn to prompt properly. Week 3, add a use case, explore projects, and document uploads. Week 4, build one recurring workflow. After 30 days, go wherever your goals take you. The goal of the first 30 days is not to become an AI expert. It is to make AI a habit you actually use. Everything else comes from that. How long have you been using AI, and what do you wish someone had told you when you started? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe for more videos about AI every single day. See you in the next one.